Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Mr. Jalanis. Today, our group will going to do a presentation about the hospital team and present progressive tense. Next, let me introduce myself. My name is Deli Sundari, as a moderator, and my friend is Dea Dinda Permata, Sela Amelia, Dita Dewi Fitria, Nina Yoranita, and Gali Pangestu. Now, let's begin the presentation. First, conversation. One day, Natalie and her mother went to the hospital to see a doctor and check her health. After registering, she and her mother sit in the waiting room.
Who were you talking to, Mom?
That was the receptionist. Her job is to help.
What is that, Mom?
That one is a nurse. Her job is to treat patients and helping doctors.
Then what is it, Mom?
That's the doctor will examine and give medicine to the sick person.
Mom, what is that one?
That's a pharmacist. Her job is to manage drugs and prepare medicines that have been prescribed by doctors and control the quality of pharmaceutical preparation. Then the nurse called Natalie's name to enter the doctor's room. Next.
Hospital care team members. Depending on the care that is needed, a person staying in the hospital may interact with many different staff members every day. If healthcare practitioners do not introduce themselves and explain their role, the person or family member should ask them to do so. Yang terjemahannya itu anggota tim rumah sakit tergantung pada perawatan yang dibutuhkan seseorang yang tinggal di rumah sakit dapat berinteraksi dengan banyak anggota staf yang berbeda setiap harinya. Jika praktisi perawatan kesehatan tidak memperkenalkan diri dan menjelaskan peran mereka, orang atau anggota keluarga harus meminta mereka untuk melakukannya. Hospital team members, attending physician. The attending physician is the leader of the team and has responsibility for all decisions made that affect a person's care, including diagnosis, treatment, and supervision of the remainder of the team. Medical student. Some hospitals are designed as teaching hospital. That is, the hospital team includes medical students who are at various stages of education and who are supervised by the attending physician. Yang artinya itu anggota tim rumah sakit. Dokter yang merawat itu, dokter yang hadir adalah pemimpin tim dan bertanggung jawab atas semua keputusan yang dibuat yang mempengaruhi perawatan seseorang, termasuk diagnosis, perawatan, dan pengawasan anggota tim lainnya. Selanjutnya itu ada mahasiswa kedokteran. Beberapa rumah sakit ditetapkan sebagai rumah sakit pendidikan. Artinya tim rumah sakit termasuk mahasiswa kedokteran yang berada di berbagai tahap pendidikan dan yang diawasi oleh dokter yang merawat.
Next is specialist. When people have complex or serious medical problems, the attending physician sometimes requests that specialists evaluate the person and recommend how to best diagnose and treat the problems. Next is registered nurses. People usually have more contact with the registered nurse, RNs, assigned to their care than any other member of the team. RN give drugs to people and monitor and evaluate their physical and emotional needs. Next is licensed partial nurses. Licensed partial nurses, LPNS, are supervised by RNs and provide basic medical and nursing care. For example, LPNS check blood pressure, insert catheters, and help people bath and dress. Next. Yang artinya yang pertama ada spesialis. Ketika orang memiliki masalah medis yang kompleks atau serius, dokter yang hadir terkadang meminta spesialis mengevaluasi orang tersebut dan merekomendasikan cara terbaik untuk mendiagnosis dan mengobati masalah tersebut. Selanjutnya, perawat terdaftar. Orang biasanya memiliki lebih banyak kontak dengan perawat terdaftar, RN, yang ditugaskan untuk perawatan mereka daripada anggota tim lainnya. RN memberikan obat kepada orang-orang dan memantau serta mengevaluasi kebutuhan fisik dan emosional mereka. Lalu perawat praktisi berlisensi. Perawat praktisi berlisensi LPN diawasi oleh RN dan memberikan perawatan medis dan keperawatan dasar. Misalnya LPN memeriksa tekanan darah, memasukkan kateter, dan membantu orang mandi dan berpakaian. Next. Patient care technician, traditionally called nurses aides. Patient care technician help nurse with people's care. Their duties may include obtaining vital signs, measuring blood pressure and temperature, moving people to and from a bed or wheelchair, helping people with walking. Next is physical therapists. Physical therapists evaluate and treat people who have difficulty functioning, for example, difficulty walking, changing positions, or transferring from a bed to a chair. These problems may develop or worsen in the hospital because people have to stay in bed a long time, bed rest, as may occur after surgery or because their disorder worsens. Next. Artinya, teknisi perawatan pasien secara tradisional disebut pembantu perawat. Teknisi perawatan pasien membantu perawat dengan perawatan orang. Tugas mereka mungkin termasuk mendapatkan tanda-tanda vital, yaitu mengukur tekanan darah dan suhu, memindahkan orang ke dan dari tempat tidur atau kursi roda, lalu membantu orang berjalan. Selanjutnya, terapis fisik. Terapis fisik mengevaluasi dan merawat orang-orang yang mengalami kesulitan berfungsi. Misalnya, kesulitan berjalan, mengubah posisi, atau berpindah dari tempat tidur ke kursi. Masalah-masalah ini dapat berkembang atau memburuk di rumah sakit karena orang-orang harus tinggal di tempat tidur untuk waktu yang lama atau tirah baring, seperti yang mungkin terjadi setelah operasi atau karena gangguan mereka memburuk. Next.
Selanjutnya ada hospital pharmacy. Pharmacy specialist in how drugs work and interact with each other. Hospitals have pharmacy on their staff who supervise the use of drugs in the hospital. If needed, hospital pharmacy teach people how to safely and effectively take the drugs prescribed from them. Selanjutnya ada special workers, yaitu provide support, information, and education. They help people prepare for discharge from the hospital by identifying and arranging helpful service that can be provided in the home and community. Yang artinya itu, apoteker rumah sakit mengkhususkan diri dalam bagaimana obat bekerja dan berinteraksi satu sama lain. Rumah sakit memiliki apoteker sebagai staf yang mengawasi penggunaan obat di rumah sakit. Jika diperlukan, apoteker rumah sakit mengajari orang bagaimana cara yang aman dan efektif meminum obat yang diresepkan untuk mereka. Selanjutnya, karyawan kemasyarakatan. Pekerja sosial memberikan dukungan informasi dan pendidikan mereka, membantu orang mempersiapkan diri untuk keluar dari rumah sakit dengan mengidentifikasi dan mengatur layanan. Next, vocabulary. Completed the following percentage with the words in the list. Nursing officers yaitu petugas keperawatan, auxiliary nurses, perawat pembantu, part-time, paruh waktu, qualified, memenuhi syarat, challenging, menantang, medical, medis, reading, bermanfaat, apply for a job, melamar pekerjaan.
Next, reading a text. The besides for the question, a multidisciplinary team involves a rank of whole professional from one or more organization working together to deliver comprehensive patient care. The ideal multidisciplinary team for the delivery of the Health One NSV model of care includes general practitioner, practitioner nursing, and nurses, community health nurses, allied health professional, and health educator. Multidisciplinary team convey many benefits to both the patient and the health professional working on the team. Tests include improved health outcome and enhanced di sini ada translate bahasa Indonesianya, yaitu baca bagian berikut dan jawab pertanyaannya. Jadi tim multidisiplin melibatkan sejumlah profesional kesehatan dari satu atau lebih organisasi bekerja sama untuk memberikan perawatan pasien yang komprehensif. Tim multidisiplin yang ideal untuk pengiriman model perawatan Health One NSW meliputi dokter umum, perawat praktik, perawat kesehatan masyarakat, profesional kesehatan sekutu, dan pendidik kesehatan. Tim multidisiplin menyampaikan banyak manfaat bagi pasien dan profesional kesehatan yang bekerja dalam tim. Ini termasuk peningkatan hasil kesehatan dan peningkatan kepuasan bagi klien dan penggunaan sumber daya yang lebih efisien dan peningkatan kepuasan kerja bagi anggota tim. Untuk memastikan fungsi tim yang optimal dan hasil pasien yang efektif, peran anggota tim multidisiplin dalam perencanaan dan pengiriman perawatan harus dinegosiasikan dan didefinisikan dengan jelas. Ini membutuhkan rasa hormat dan kepercayaan di antara anggota tim, penggunaan terbaik dari campuran keterampilan dalam tim, struktur tata kelola klinis yang disepakati, sistem dan protokol disepakati, tim akan pencapaian melibatkan signifikan kerja posisi serta implementasi beragam aspek. Next date.
Present progressive tense. Next bisa. Present progressive tense ada am, is, or, are plus present participle. Tony is writing a book. English activity now. We are moving Iceland next year. Future planet activity. Past, present, future. Next data. Present progressive tense describes an ongoing activity in the present. Example, John is playing in the snow and she is smiling. A future activity, especially a scheduled activity, example, Sarah friends are leaving tomorrow and I am moving to Jakarta next week. To express longer action, not at this moment but in progress. Example, we are working on a new project and she is studying to become a doctor. To describe the idea that something often happens in a negative sense, we can use always, constantly, forever. Example, this waiting list gonna take forever and Sarah always coming to work late. Next. To form present continuous, subject plus to be plus verb plus ing, negative and question in the present continuous tense. Di sini ada statement yes or no question, where question and negative. Statement ada I am eating, you are crying, he is going, she is arriving, it is sleeping, we are leaving, they are arguing. Yes or no question. Am I eating? Are you crying? Is he going? Is she arriving? Is it sleeping? Are we leaving? And are they arguing? We have question. What am I eating? Why are you crying? Where is going? When is she arriving? Why is it sleeping? When are we leaving? Why are they arguing? Negative. I am not eating. You are not crying. He is not going. She is not arriving. It is not sleeping. We are not leaving, and they are not arguing. Next.
Present progressive tense verb tense. Number one, present progressive tense verb ending in silent to arrive to arriving atau tiba sampai, back to baking atau memanggang, breathe to breathing atau bernafas, come to coming datang, dance to dancing menari. Number two, present progressive tense verb ending in consonant vowel consonant atau CVC. Back to begging atau meminta, begin beginning memulai, chat to chatting mengobrol, get to getting mendapat, jog to jogging berlari kecil. Next. Number three, present progressive tense verb ending in to ia. Die to dying, meninggal atau sekarat. Tie to tying, mengikat. Fight to vying, bersaing atau bertanding. Number four, other except verbs. To acting, menghadiri. Break to breaking, memecahkan. Burn to burning, membakar. Buy to buying, membeli. Next.